Sanibonani, wozani guys. Kuyaphuthuma wozani. Hlalani phansi kancane sixoxe. Guys, tell me where you guys understand this because I'm confused. Mina, my understanding is that interaction between umakoti and the father-in-law is supposed to be very minimum. You know, like minimum, whatever is the right word. Akufanele nje ukuthi ubabezala umakoti abe nama-dealings nobabezala. I-conversation kamakoti nobabezala is yebo baba, hayi siyaphila, yebo bayaphila abantwana, kuphele lapho. Ubabezala njena awu-interact nje naye, angiphathi nje nihlele e-restaurant. Even when you have problems kwi-relationship yakho, you would rather uyotshela mother-in-law axokise-ke vele then father. So manje lento yakuwe ingane zesithembu, I don't understand what's it's a reality show, but we do know what's obviously they have to make it in such a way that the show is entertaining for us. But that whole thing of Musamseleko having meetings with Abo Tirelo and having now he was having a meeting with Umabiela, and I thought it's okay, Umabiela now umakoti mhlambe we are going to get that episode where umabiela goes to Mzumbe, afike kahle ke eshuqulile and stuff azokoteza or something like that. But this whole thing of meeting father-in-law at a restaurant, you know, first time after uceli, angazi guys, like I'm telling you, they just do weird things. Now angazi guys, ngi-confused. Nanokuthi uba uMseleko ufunani eJoburg. I know phela ukuthi okay, executive producer of the show, but I think it would be nice if he was behind the scenes more. Just let the kids do what they need to do with the show, you know, and you can direct them or whatever, but from behind the scenes. What is he doing at Joburg? I thought the whole point of them beovakasha Joburg is so that they can spend time, you know, as siblings. Now Umseleko is there. What is he doing there? We are Boralo guys. Yes, it's your show, but the kids can do the show. Just let them be, you know, because if you are trying to say it's okay, but in reality you would end up meeting Umabiela. But would that be the way that you would meet Umabiela? Umabiela was a KZN, uceliwe. You know, they went and they paid lobola for her. Then the first time you meet her after a kokelo lobola is in Joburg at some restaurant. Ngabe Umabiela ufike fake bum shots. So I'm confused, guys. Tell me what's nginehaba yini when I say it's weird to see Umseleko interacting with my girlfriends Mpumelelo interacting with now umakoti Mpumelelo, the way that he is doing it. I think it would even be better if we go Mayeni or something. So the whole scenes that are being shot on this show, Umseleko asking Umabiela about Tirelo, how she feels about Tirelo, how she feels about Isithembu. Hayi ayikho lento le ndisibuka ingane zesithembu ayikho guys. Okay, now okay, let's talk about what happened on the show. Umabiela wacelwa, and that's a good storyline for any reality TV show. I said this the last review that I did, that anything that has to do with ilobola, with umshado, anything yisiko lethu njengabantu abamnyama, it makes for good reality TV. You know, that's why you have shows that are about imishado, you have shows that are about inkomo zamalobolo. because that content, is who we are, really, and we can identify with this, we can relate. So leyo content yenza, isho ibe interesting. So it's a good storyline, the storyline sokucelwa kukaMabiyela. Now, they needed to just follow it up, uyabona, the storyline, because it's a good storyline. It would be nice if now we were seeing uMabiyela eseze ezovakasha kaMseleku. However that they are doing it, phela at some point they have to meet umakoti. When is uMayeni going to meet uMabiyela? Naye uzohlangana naye restaurant. When is the rest of the family? The other wives, the other siblings. Bonke bazohlangana naye eJoburg. So it would have been a good storyline if they followed it up. Mhlampe-ke sobona umbondo and all of that next season, I don't know. But I just feel like this thing of them going to Joburg to shoot a scene of uMabiyela meeting uMseleku, Now, you guys, the siblings are in Joburg because they are saying that they are invited by uAbo. But obviously, we do know that it's not because they are invited by uAbo, because, of course, they have to shoot the show. So they are in Joburg. Okay. Now, I don't know why it has to be Joburg. Like, they can do something different each season. So I'm trying to understand. Maybe it's like convenient for them to shoot, to just make it like they shoot Mzumbe, then they shoot in Joburg. That's the season. Every season we get that. They shoot Mzumbe, they shoot at Joburg. Then that's it. It would be, I don't know, you guys, it would be nice for them to do something different. Okay, besides going by a Joburg for a trip. Guys, KZN has a lot of nice places that they could go to. And South Africa has a lot of nice places they can go to. Why do they need to go to Joburg every season? Okay. And I guess now they're going to say they're going to Sunset. I don't know, you guys. Now, they did that, the siblings went and did yoga, okay? Which it was uAbo, uMpilo, noLwandle, and uSne. Bengekho angazi mhlawumbe iphathele ibhabhalazo uSne. Bengekho uSne, they did that swing yoga, I don't know what they call it. Now, I started thinking, what the hell is going on with uLwandle? What the hell is going on with uLwandle? I am the supporter of uLwandle not being pushed to ukuthi aganwe, athathe isithembu and all of that. I'm a supporter of that. He needs to take his time. But guys, remember he said when he was talking to his father and that he does have girlfriends. Where are those girlfriends? I think we do know that there are no girlfriends, because if amantombazane, they like indaba date abantu bakaMseleku, they like dating the boys bakaMseleku, and when they date boys bakaMseleku, they want to be known. They want it to be known that they are dating the boys bakaMseleku. And also, now these girls know that if you date uMpumelelo or uLwandle, you have a chance of being part of the show. So they will want to be known that they are dating uLwandle so that they can be part of the show. Now, listen, that other time when he had a car accident, he said he was coming from Durban in the middle of the night. No girlfriend is coming out to claim Ukuthi is dating uLwandle, but uLwandle claims to have girlfriends. Lwandle is driving to Durban ebusuku eyobona abantu that are a mystery, because they are not being introduced to the show, they're not being introduced to the family. I don't know, something's going on with uLwandle, and whatever it is, he seems to be driving to Durban in the middle of the night. And we do know that if it was girls that he was seeing, those girls will be sharing those stories on TikTok, honey. we would know about those girls because they would be there by TikTok sharing those stories. Whatever it is that he's doing in Durban, Ulwandle, he's able to keep it a secret. So I'm just saying, you guys, I'm just getting to the point where I'm like, what's going on with Ulwandle? You know, what's going on with Ulwandle? Is he dating? He said he's dating. Are we assuming that it's girls? What if we are assuming that it's girls and it's not girls? Because what is the reason that he does not want to just come out and share it? So when they were doing the yoga, I started thinking, what's going on with Ulwandle? What is going on with Ulwandle? Worried Ulwandle. But we will wait, you guys, because even if he comes out and say, listen, I've been playing in this team here, it wouldn't be bad. But I'm just thinking, I wonder, is it possible that maybe, but let me be patient with Ulwandle. That's how I feel about it. Let me be patient with Ulwandle. Now, you guys, the one thing that happened in this episode was Mpumelelo shared the message that, okay, Mpumelelo didn't share the message first. Mpumelelo shared because Tirelo no Amahle communicated when him and Tirelo were fighting. Okay. And when they were communicating, when they were fighting, Tirelo sent Amahle a message. He was frustrated and ended up khiphela ku Amahle ke ukudinwa kwakhe during that fight. I read that message, you guys, and I was like, okay. I wanted to see the rest of it. I wanted to see where it started because it's very, like, they made sure to just show us that two of Tirelo's messages, one where she is just going off at Amahle to say, you must tell your man he must not abandon his child and whatever. I know our relationship is over, but that does not mean that he must abandon his child. Then the next message is Amahle saying, why should I be the one to speak? Who am I to talk to him about it? And then the next message to Tirelo is apologizing to Amahle for, ukhiphela frustration yakhe ku Amahle. But I would have loved to see where it started, to sort of see, because Tirelo did mention ukuthi yena no Amahle, they were trying to build something. She did say that. She said that her and Amahle were trying to build something, but Mpumelelo, he destroyed what they were trying to build with Amahle. So it's kind of like they are making it look like Tirelo out of the blue just approached Amahle and sent her a message etino Mpumelelo, when it feels like in their conversation it felt like they were trying to build something. Maybe before ukuba sister wives abazwanayo, and then it went left. But I felt like I wanted to see more than just those messages. Also, at some point, I felt like there's no way that Tirelo shared that message. But then I looked at it and I was like, no, she did. Because I'm starting to feel like on this show, Tirelo is being treated like Usne. They know what's Ene. The show is Tirelo this season. Everything that is enjoyable about the show has to do with Tirelo. Okay. Even people that are celebrating Umcelo Kamabiela is because they don't like Tirelo. So everything is about Tirelo. People are enjoying the fact that Tirelo uyagowisha this season, Tirelo uyakhala this season, Tirelo ugilwa Mpumelelo this season. So I feel like even production, the way that the season is produced, it feels that way. So even when they were using Usne, in previous seasons. It feels like that. Whatever they needed to expose of Usne, they were going to do it for the benefits of the show, just so that we can get the dramatics for the show. Remember, Usne, we got to know about the fact that she had a miscarriage. We got to know about the fact that she was pregnant again on the show. And Usne never volunteered any of that information. It will be prompted, it will be pushed out of her. Okay, now she's pregnant in front of the cameras. And the fact that she had a miscarriage, going through that process, and all of that, and then the R situation. So it felt like they would do whatever it is to get things out of that situation for our entertainment. So this season it does feel like that, because whatever they need to, because they understand what's making the show interesting this season is Tirelo. So whatever makes Tirelo to be going through the most, they are going to share with us. So for a moment I thought that, you know what, I wonder if Tirelo knows that this message has been shared. But when you look at the screenshot, it does look like she screenshot the text, because the green parts are her messages. So it made me feel like, okay, then she is the one that shared the message, which made me feel better about the situation, because I kind of felt like maybe she's only going to find out when she watches the show that other people have seen the messages, because I thought maybe it is Amahle. That's why she's only showing that part instead of showing us, show us everything so that we can understand what's going on. Now, you guys, I don't know. I'm looking forward to the next episode just to see what happens, really. Because the season is boring. The season is boring. That's why I'm even struggling to do my lives. But it's not just that, you guys. It's just the fact that I'm so busy with work. I come back and I'm tired, even though I would like to do a live. So, yes, it's boring. But it's not so boring that I wouldn't do a live at all. I will come up with something if I wanted to do a live. It's just that sometimes I set up and I'm thinking at this time I'm going to do a live and I'm tired, okay? So work is a lot right now. So I'm looking forward to the next episode just to see where are they going with the story. Also, we are approaching almost the end of the season, and there's nothing new except for Mpumelelo. I guess we should thank Mpumelelo for paying Lobola for Amahle, because otherwise, what else would we have watched besides Tirelo just going through it in terms of a relationship with Mpumelelo? Now, on the trailer for the next episode, we do see Tirelo talking to Musamsele, talking about the relationship being over. Okay. However, we haven't seen the proposal, because remember, there is a trailer that has a proposal, Mpumelelo proposing to Tirelo. But next episode, we are seeing Tirelo saying to Musamsele that, you know what, for me, it's over. So I do wonder, you guys, what's going to happen. Okay, is she going to break up with Mpumelelo, and Mpumelelo is a way of trying to get her back? He's going to propose. I don't know, guys. I don't know. But the season is boring. Ukuappearisha kukaMseleko all the time. Kangibora, guys. Kangibora. I feel like, if anything, I would have loved to see Umayeni. Mhlawumbe Umayeni coming in to say, why was I not told that Mpumelelo is going to pay Lobola? Mhlawumbe Umayeni meeting Amahle, because remember, Umayeni had said she does not want to meet her girlfriends, but now Amahle is as good as a wife. So I guess, but I'm tired of him. Thank you for the show as an executive producer, but can you please give us a break? Anyway, you guys, nanokuthi usebenza nini uMseleko kulezi ezinye izinto zakhe lezi ekuthiwa uyazenza besides the show phela. Now it seems like nje umsebenzi wakhe now it's the show. And the people used to say business is property, mining, what. Njobe eseJoburg ney'ngane, ubani onakela amabhizinisi ekhaya? Anyway, guys, thanda indaba zabantu. Thank you so much. Ngimthanda kakhulu.